Located at 226 Main Street in Brunswick, Maine, the Joshua L. Chamberlain house was the home of Joshua and Fanny Chamberlain for almost 50 years. The house was originally located at 4 Potter Street. Potter Street is the next intersection beside the house. Chamberlains paid $2,100 for the house, which was then a Cape Cod with dormers, in 1859. Then in 1867, they moved the house to its current location, right along what is now busy Main Street here in Brunswick. In 1871, the Chamberlains had the house raised 11 feet, put a new first floor underneath it. Today, the Chamberlain House is operated as a museum by the Pejepscot History Center and is open seasonally for public tours. The house is very well preserved. The Pejepscot History Center has worked diligently since acquiring the property in 1983 to restore it to the Chamberlain appearance from the early 20th century.